So the topic which I am going to cover is capacitor. Basically, capacitor is a device which is used to store the electrostatic field energy. Okay, so and whenever it is required, it is releasing this energy to run the electrical and electronic devices. Okay, nowadays mostly all the electric circuits like the circuits of we say computer, laptop, LED, refrigerator, AC, everyone is containing the capacitor to store the energy. Even while we are converting AC current in DC current, also we are using the capacitor to get the constant current. So let's see the working of the capacitor. Suppose there is a conductor material and initially it is uncharged, means the charge over this conducting plate is 0. If the charge is 0, so electric field as well as electric potential of this conducting plate is also 0. If we will increase the charge, then proportionally the potential of due to this charge will also increase. It means Q is increasing, so V is also increasing. So we can say Q is directly proportional to V. Otherwise, Q is equal to C into V, means Q upon V is equal to C, where C is the constant and known as the capacitance of the capacitor. Okay, capacitance of the capacitor. If we have to define the capacitance, so capacitance of the capacitor is the property which characterizes the ability of the capacitor to store the charge or to store the energy is known as the capacitance. The unit of the capacitance is Q upon V given. Okay, so Q is coulomb, V is volt. So the unit of the capacitance is coulomb per volt, or we can say coulomb volt inverse. This is also known as the Faraday. Okay, this is the unit of capacitance. Unit of capacitance is C upon V, coulomb per volt or coulomb volt inverse, or also known as Faraday. Faraday is a very huge unit. That's why we are using microfaraday, picofaraday, nanofaraday, like this we are using. Okay. Okay, so now let's check the capacity of the spherical conductor. So suppose any spherical conductor is there. Okay, and we are giving the charge on the surface of this conductor, then it will be uniformly distributed over this conducting surface. Okay, conducting surface. If we will check the potential on the surface of this sphere, which is having the radius r, then the potential V is given as V is equal to KQ upon R. KQ upon R. Okay, so this is the potential on the surface of the spherical conductor. Now we want to get the capacity. We know capacity is what? C is equal to Q upon V. Q upon V, and V is given as, capacity is given as Q upon V, and V value is given as KQ upon R, means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Okay, into this is K into Q. Q value will also we will put here, so Q to Q will get cancelled, so the capacity of the spherical conductor will become 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Okay, suppose we want to get the capacity of the earth. So the capacity of the earth, how can we write? Capacity of the earth, we know the radius of the earth. For the earth, radius of the earth is given as 6400 kilometer, okay, which can be written as 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. And the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, we know already 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 power 9. Okay, now we will put the value, all these value in this value. Okay, so we will get the capacity of the earth. Capacity of the earth, let's check how much we are going to get. Ce is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught, value will become 1 upon 9 into 10 power 9 into r value is given as 9, r value is given how much, 6.4 into 10 power 6. Okay, after solving this one, we will get the value of, or capacity of the earth will be 711 microfarad, which is not even 1 farad. It means the earth is such a big sphere. Even it is such a heavy sphere, still it is having the capacity microfarad, 711 microfarad, not even 1 farad. It means the farad is the very biggest unit of the capacitance. Okay, let's take an example. Two liquid drops each are having the same radius, combined with each other and formed the new liquid drop. Okay, each liquid drop having potential V and fully charged, having capacitance C. When they are combined with each other, they formed new drop. Now you have to calculate the capacitance and the potential of new drop. Okay, this is the question. Let's, the radius of each drop is r, capital R. The radius of the bigger drop is, suppose it is small r or capital R, so you can say anything. Okay, so the charge of drop number 1, so we can say Q is equal to C into V. Same charge in the drop number 2 also. So total charge on new drop, is equal to CV plus CV. Okay, so total charge will be how much? Q plus Q is equal to 2Q. Okay, so total charge will become 2Q is equal to 2CV. Okay, now in the question they are asking for the capacitance. So let's say capacitance of each small drop. Capacitance of each small drop is equal to C is equal to what? 4 pi epsilon naught R. Okay, so 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Okay, this is the capacitance, which is also given as, suppose in the question it is given as C. Okay, radius of new drop we want to get, I don't know, radius of new drop. Okay, so we want to calculate this one. Simple math we will apply. So radius of new drop will be what? 4 upon 3 pi new radius suppose r, pi r cube is equal to 4 upon 3 pi into capital R cube, and two drops are there, so it will be cancelled. 4 upon 3 pi, 4 upon 3 pi will get cancelled. Small r value will become 2 power 1 upon 3 times capital R. This is the value of small r. Okay, this is the value of small r. Now we want to get the capacity of new drop. So capacity, suppose it is the C dash is the capacity of the new drop. It will become C dash equal to 4 pi epsilon naught into R of the new drop. So it will become 4 pi epsilon naught, 4 pi epsilon naught into small r. Small r value is given as 2 power 1 by 3, 2 power 1 by 3 times capital R. We can see upside 4 pi epsilon naught r is equal to C. Okay, so here we will put the value C dash is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 times C. This is the capacitance of the new drop. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now in the same question they are asking, calculate the potential of the new drop. So it is also very much easy for us to calculate potential of the new drop. Old drop potential was given as V. Okay, new drop potential I want to get. We know Q is equal to CV. Q is equal to C into V. We want to get the value of V. So V is equal to Q dash new charge, okay, upon new capacitance is equal to new potential we want to get. Okay, Q dash value is already given. Q dash is equal to how much? New charge is how much? 2Q means 2CV. So Q dash value will be 2 into C into V divided by C dash, and the value of C dash we have calculated 2 power 1 upon 3, 2 power 1 upon 3 times C. C to C will get cancelled, and the value of V dash will become 2 power 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 power 2 by 3 times V. This is the potential of the new